And this is the living area. You can check out how beautifully. And this is the kitchen area. It is the master bedroom. And once you enter, you can check out the space.
Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal, and today we'll be doing the sample flight tour of Prestige City, which is located in Rajendra Nagar, Hyderabad, a project developed by Prestige Group. But before starting the video, let me show you the actual surrounding of the project. And as you can check out, we are here on the actual site of the Prestige City, and this is the main road. And the land parcel is just behind me. About the marketing office is just behind over here on the right hand side. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you don't need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders, because in Housey the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So why to worry? Book your dream home directly with builders on Housey.
Now let's discuss about the project overview. The Prestige City, the mixed-use development township project, developed in total 64 acre of land parcel, which is divided into three parts. First is the commercial one, where they are coming up with the Forum Mall over here, and the JW Marriott over this side. And then the second part is the residential villa part. And the third one is the residential towers. Let's now focus upon the residential towers, which has been constructed on total 31 acres of land parcel with 13 towers. Each tower of 3 basement ground plus 41 floors, having exclusive 2.5 BHK, 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4 BHK plus maid room premium residencies. Now coming to the amenities part, and this project provides you 60 plus world class amenities, where this is 1,20,000 square feet of clubhouse, 3 different types of swimming pool, jacuzzi, indoor and outdoor game facility. This is the lake prominent area consisting multiple sitting and walking track. Here's the kids play area, the grand garden area and many more amenities.
Now coming to the location part, and this project is located on Samshabad main road in Rajendra Nagar, Hyderabad. So let me show you the neighborhood of the project. So basically this is the Samshabad main road. And this road over this side will connect you towards Samshabad, and the opposite side road will connect you towards Aramghar signal. Now about the further connectivity and location of the project. So the Forum Mall is inside the community itself, and upcoming High Court is just 2 minutes away beside the Prestige City, and you can connect to ORR exit number 16 and 17 in just 10 minutes. Upcoming metro station is 5 minutes away. Rajiv Gandhi International Airport is 15 minutes from the location of the project.
Let's have a look at your 3 BHK sample flat of 1687 square feet super built up area, and here we start with a grand entrance. Once you enter, you can check out the digital door lock for your security purpose. And this is the living area. You can check out how beautifully the interior work Prestige has done over here for your reference. And you can even check out how the space that they have utilized, and even you can check out it. Here this side you can set your dining table. So easily you can set your 6 to 8 set of dining table over here, which is connected to the balcony as well. So here they have provided a balcony. This is 3-side covered balcony with anti-skid tiles and iron railing, giving you a perfect view of the city. With the easy access to your dining area, they have given you the kitchen area as well. So once you enter the kitchen area, you can check out that was a niche area. You can add up your own things. And this is the kitchen area. You can check out the platforms, that how they have done the platforms, the cabinets. And even they have provided a window for ventilation purpose with attached utility area as well. Anti-skid tiles and the provision for machines. Now moving further towards your bedroom space. So 2 bedrooms are on the one side of the house and 1 bedroom on the other side. So here we go. This is the kids' bedroom. your bedroom number 1. So the interior speaks out for itself. Here's the kids' bedroom with a bed space, a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Even they have added up a chair and a table, that is a study table over here. This is a wardrobe set over here, the wardrobe space. And moving further, once you move out from this bedroom, right in the center, here's the common washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fitting. The bathing area is separated via tile drop. And now this is your bedroom number 2. So once you enter, you can check out the room size, the bed space, even the window for ventilation and lighting purpose. And here's the wardrobe space. So this is how you can utilize the space in this room. Now about the master bedroom. So let's move further towards the master bedroom. So the master bedroom is on the other side of the house. But before moving towards the master bedroom, let me inform you about the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tool with its sample flight videos, pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tool. All these features under Housey.com. So register quickly in just 2 steps. That is www.housey.com. Now, this is the master bedroom. And once you enter, you can check out the space. This is the most spacious room in the house with a bed space over here. Even they have added up a chair and a table for the workspace. Here's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. About the wardrobe space, which is right in front of me over here. Isn't it spacious? Which even has attached washroom, that is a master washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Once you move out from this washroom, just beside the washroom there is a niche area where you can again add up a wardrobe for your storage purpose. Now, as you all know, we are here in Rajendra Nagar, Hyderabad. Have you checked another project in this location? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. All the information and details of the project is mentioned in the I button. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and to follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.